first modern man, Homo Kibish, appeared here in the Great Rift Valley in southern Ethiopia 195,000 years ago.
That's a lie. Okay. Nobody was here 195,000 years ago.
The Surma are the sons and daughters of this common ancestor of all humanity. As our brothers have been in existence over time, they can teach us much about both our recent and remote past. There are 28,000 Surma living separately from the outside world. They reveal the secrets of Donga. This legendary violent tool is a regular part of a fierce